girl Friscaline and I'm tuning to Kwabna Kwesti. Hello Ghana, this is your girl Friscaline and I'm tuning to Kwabna Kwesti.
Have a blessed day.
Station around town. Everyone is talking about money. Everyone needs money. Everyone it's actually out there busy working and making sure the pocket is full of money. And there's one thing I always want to tell you is that make sure you make money legitimately. Yeah, it's very necessary and very important. The money you're making, is it a legitimate way or is it just some 419 way, folks? And in as much as you want to make money, in as much as you want to live good life, please, you should also consider not living a fake life. I know a lot of people are living fake lives and giving a lot of people unnecessary pressure on social media. And this is why we chose to play this song this morning. A lot of people are living with audio money. When you get on social media, like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, a lot of people are showing money worth clothes a lot, rich. In real life, they did not owe any. So hey, this is audio money from Rude Boy. Music, they say feeds the soul and also speak a lot of sense. Right, so 93.3 of folks, good morning. Today happens to be the last Friday of this particular month. And of course, the free breast cancer screening is ongoing right here at our premises. And today, myself and Adwuma Parmesan, yeah, you're rocking a baby pink shirt. It's all about the breast cancer week, breast cancer day. Come on. So once again, good morning, wherever you find yourself to be, folks. My name is Jenny Champion Boating Cosmos, and I'm already seated with my solid production team, and we're here to give you all the good vibes. It's a Friday. So far so good. You are excited, right? Friday ni azidi obi eni je ho. Ukovi Charlie. After long week over time ni ade wa bre. The Saturday do Saturday ajo eni je nkwa. Maybe I'll share more watching. Emo kwaba at the Ahenkan 93.3 FM. Of course, tell your friend, Kobina Costi, your brunch time host, is on the radio. I serve you a hot breakfast and I give you lunch. So we call this one the brunch time. We are on from 9 to 10 p.m. folks. Big shouts going out to Emmanuel Jumo, DJ Shawo Kobe Kane, and Nato Pahin, and my man, Mr. Billy. Send me a text on 0594 841044. 0594 841044. Send me a text. You can also join the show live on Facebook at Ahenkan 93.3 FM, live on Facebook. Let's get interactive. Send in your messages. I'll be more than glad to give you a live mention. Today, a lot of fun is actually going to happen on the show, trust me. My man Kwaku Ebenezer will join me. I mean, today, Charlie, we just can't have fun. He's here. Hey, already. Alright, so 43 minutes after 10, my man Kwaku Ebenezer head is already in the house. It's going to be fun today on the show. Right, so today happens to be one of me and back home the girlfriend birthday. Coming up for it. There the girl birthday. Obviously because of the wife. Foolish wife. Good morning. And a quick shout to all my taxi drivers. Brad David. Good morning. I want to say Pasco, Rauf, to MP3, to Stagger, Obama, Ricardo, Tanko, Obatampa, Jonathan, I want to say Medeshia, Buffo, Michael, Piero. Good morning. Brakwami Okasia, good morning. To appear to Tilapia. Hi, this guy, the filler, Tilapia. Hey, Mr. Urban Fashion, good morning. Mr. Urban, I want to say BB our call. Mr. Chubesi, Sam Force, KNL Fashion. I send you for you and back up a man coin salon the Gambia more asane. After Drew SDA Junction, so exclusive beauty saloon, our SDA Junction, Kev Muha, and halfway. Bra Michael, we a carpenter in so SDA Junction. Ghost time is the best fashion. Mahana, Priscilla, Mercy, Grace, and Patricia. When you know more Ghost time is the best fashion. Good morning. Kojo, we are fit any also good morning. And come out. I'm a G side holder. And I know Pemichi, I have your room straight. You do jubilee top, one of my HR. Parties go this season. And I pay good morning. I want to send a fear party. And also to I want fair back up. Madame, dear, yeah. I said that beauty saloon. Shaka Shankoma Madame. Guess I will hold you. I mean, hey, Mammy Chabakubido, Priscilla, Mama Kenya, be the word of a child. Debbie cry. Right to the young straight, Jenny is fashion. Good morning. I come in Junction, Jaji, I a guy, Jobia. Yeah, you good morning. And our face to charity fashion, or company Junction, quality fashion, or old education. Quality fashion, and a Frida's clothing, and so our Kotoma Riazi, Farida Bill Ishak. Good morning. I want to send exactly for the 6 minutes after 10. Right, so I'll bring you our daily dose of motivations in the jiffy, but I want us to do this song again. Or Shabo, you give me a different song. Okay. So let's listen to some cool music. And when I return, I will come back definitely with our daily dose of motivation. Good morning to Rejoice Sophia Beam and my nephew, Jaden. Good morning.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Papa dear, imagine if for on an enemy, maybe yes. See what I be, go good. My nigga pass me the beer. If you work with a do, with your hustle for
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
I want to wear designer. Yeah, Master Machete. I want the things we find out. Oh, be bad money, me. Money me, money me, money me. Oh, be bad money, me. Money come and do so. Oh, be bad money, me. Money me, money me, money me. Oh, be bad money, me. Money come and do so.
Have a blessed day.
Money me, money me, money me. Oh, be bad money, me. Money come and do
Oh, the anime. Yes, yeah, man, anime. I'm a man, favorite. It's been a long time, girl, mommy, who anymore? I know they complain, mama. So sending me for the bag as a container, ma. I say, won't to me, I really wish I would be the first to buy. Say, would you move on? What's that, so be, I be the first to call. Oh, I wish that I wins like I do. I go fly away to my love.
Oh, be bad money, me. Money me, money me, money me. Oh, be bad money, me. Money come and do so. Oh, be bad money, me. Money me, money me, money me. Oh, be bad money, me. Money come and I say what? Oh, be bad money, me.
You know what? Yeah. You know what time it is? P. Kill beat. Come on.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed
I
day.
dey go crazy. Make her dey feel it. Because yes, you know too sexy. Met this girl up in the club where I hook up asking name. Oh. She dey move too sexy. With her body where she don't maintain. No. African lady. As I dey touch, she know they complain. No. Make we do some dancing. Where she throw that thing on me. She dey make her dey go. Because of that thing. No. She dey make her dey go crazy.
Nah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. I said come and sing, that's it for me. Come and sing. Hey. Where the wine there? Wow, what a beautiful lady. She dance like Shakira and Beyonce up in the crowd, busy body. All from Nigeria. Right, so the fire is on just because it's a Friday. Right, so let me throw a quick shout to all the staffs at Akim State University College. So there's this one guy at the reception called Felix. And he says he's always in tune to Ahenkan and 3.3 FM, especially the Adwuma. So a quick shout to you all at Akim State University College. I hope you are doing good. Charlie, the energy is something different this morning. Just because it's a Friday. Big shouts to DJ Shabo for putting me in the element. Big shouts, bro. Hey. Alright, so happy birthday. A happy birthday to Francescana. Is it Diedu Agbo? And this is coming from man like Kobe K, Francisca Na Diedu. Is it Dede? No, John. Okay. Also is E, no you. It is a big shout to Francisca Na De Agbo. Agbo means Adiason. Yeah. Come on, I'm a veteran, so you should know. Okay, to me, Achim Terran. I'm a chairman and also a veteran, so me Achim Terran. Oh, say, hey. I just want to read something from you guys. Send me a first on 0594841044 before I jump in quick to my daily dose of motivation. Send me a first. Let me give you a live mention. Why you there? Even I will shout with me. Just let me know. Let me know. Hey, it's a Friday. Come on. Let's put our stress aside. Let's prepare our minds toward the weekend. Because, hey, we're actually going to have fun on the weekend. In case you just don't know, I'm telling you here, this weekend is going to be exciting. Very exciting, trust me. If you don't know, you should know. Everybody, let's go. Hey. This house is Shabuati. Richie, I am a big crab show. Why am I come as someone here? Everybody, right, so that's a message from a man, Ziggy B. Ziggy B. Ziggy Mikito, my own Ziggy, my own Mikito. He says, boss, please, some birthday dedications to a brother who works at birth and death registry at Nkoko. His name is Japan Obin Danso. And Japan Obin Danso, a happy birthday. Going at you. This is from Ziggy Mikito, all the way from a Kumane FM. And happy birthday. And for Command Japan Obed, Japan Obed Danso. Japan Obed Danso. We are Jumawan Koko Death and Birth Registry. And this is coming from Ziggy Mikito. Happy birthday. I hope you're good. Everybody. Hey. And I see some messages. Come on. So Ricky says, coming up, good morning, Charlie. Today your energy is different. I tell you, the energy is different, Charlie. I just don't know why. We shout to Shabodo. Right, so 93.3 FM. Let me cool down the energy and get straight into our daily dose of motivations. Yeah, for young crash, I'll say more from around the pay. What do you say? Kind courtesy, Color Studios and Digital Embroidery at Adwuma. I cannot pay a young crash, I'll say on the daily dose of motivations. Every Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. Now, let me relax. Na energy in bra from Kakra. Okay, now for Yambra Street. Shab, are you ready? Now, young daily dose of motivations. And the Color Studios and Digital Embroidery watch more than here. Our Liberty Transport opposite Kenal Pharmacy. And I'll be who know. Me patrol. I know pay. What's your brana or wedding photography, on taking care of it in Famao. Birthday, studios, picture framing, passport picture. Ningina Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. Now, yeah, school crest. Be a school crest. And as a badges, church Lacoste embroidery, face tower embroidery, cap embroidery, police uniform embroidery. Ningina Yabi or Yasoya. Me patch frame was 0244 0245. I beg your pardon. Hell, we are confused. Hey, come not for you. Okay, so 0245 276 0245 276 Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. And also, yeah, your daily dose of motivations, Eddie bro. Now, in Jalapa, young crash yourself, no matter if you Gabi Garcia. Gabi Garcia was saying not everything will go the way you want. When this happens, you can pause, take a deep breath, and practice listening with your hearts. Now, maybe I try to should be at the amount. Now, listen. I said not everything will go the way you want. When this happens, you can pause, take a deep breath, and practice listening with your hearts. What do we say? And you be a baby and I mean, whatever we wish for, any was as sometimes all planets and your man and a coin be mount, but then it turns out to be the other way around. Now, Gabi Garcia says, when this happens, you need to take a break, pause for a while. Let's see a woman, inhale, and then you exhale. Now listen, this is because sometimes one thing is that opese bibia enkoso toti mam. But abrabone nyina say enye bibia ene timi koso toti e de manipa. Sometimes planning life very well pan, but it turns out to be a different thing altogether. So when this happens, say e kwan wonam so yi o chia na e kwan wonam so yi enko senya ope enko as expected. There was a way ni ma ho kwan and I say ma ho time, ma ho mre, yes, ma ho mre. Pause for a while, go back to the drawing board, restructure things, and then get back on track. Because bibia enko na senya ope. Sometimes you need to listen to what your heart is telling you. You see, often the things that happen to us are preparation for the future. And this is one thing. Yes. And fashion would say your life is not static. No. Every decision, every setback or triumph is an opportunity to identify the seed of the truth that makes you a wondrous human being. This is one thing you should know. One secret you should put behind your mind. Say, things may not go all right, perfectly as planned, and your best along the way. But when this happens, catch up will say your life is not static. No. And pim wahana wabrabon engina fakon. I was so relax, sit back. Go back to the drawing board, restructure yourself altogether, and then get back on track. This is life. What shall see no enko totin san famao. What shall see no enko ye en famao. You may start on a very good note, but when you get to the middle, when you get sometimes I can't get to me in the draw, na no margin same. But when this happens, Emma wa be mumbukura. I can't get in the drew. Adia opesa on saka home. I can't get in the drew. How do I say this? I can't get in the drew. Opportunity door. And I can't get in the drew baby or promised land the crown one. Nasa bibi chon saya. Patrol, don't feel bad. Give yourself some time. Pause for a while. Not twice. You will get there. Right. So 93.3 FM. This is Adwuma. And today I want to surprise someone. Yes, I will come. 93.3 FM. Time as we say we could break here. But let me do this before I go. Right, so today happens to be Madam for I'm on radio. It's like I'm using USB, and I don't know who is listening, but one of my one of my foolish friends. Yes, and I come on for me. Hey.
Kwekwe brabeshe ene party am call no abrochin so ne dey serve me o wo dey hwe ne bottle ni kura me eh uja we anna chwa me no water na wo tene nkan anna chwa me no water Ghana ha ya ne ye no na odan say so pamu depo na e wo Ghana commercial bank car park ho no mo a ene di hwe ne mu pe e wa bonsa foforo no enu nti so pen dodo tsa wo di ye wo di ye wedding abedin tour party sa wo nu mo fie anadwuma die bia me patch free 0249 680 and 0500231091 inso na eden and package inso FSA and natural mineral water natural FDA ajatum say eye
Kodimo, what Shremi at the Papa? City and Sounds Company Limited. In fact, Muwo Kromankasa. Akimuda nimpatemudie. So be a city day and I will be sit diner. And one is ordered on Wababomo. Mo and a ban original dosa. Muton Papa Nankasa. Say a German doors, Italian doors. Masuye penye ba, yenya wooden doors, afe metal doors, and afe glass doors. Namo sliding door no, edemu sronko kra. Wopini door handle asaya. Papa pan wo masuye Banseti and Sons Company Limited. Mupi opino edemu sronko kra. Afe TNJ normal ones nina. Ubenye biato ya suye Banseti and Sons Company Limited pe. Ena motonton tiles awudro nina. Say Italian tiles, Twyford tiles, any good wall tiles. Tiles say polish, ana unpolished. Yes, so eton, town cementa, yebetimi dia to your tiles nyina. Wobesa swenya home use mattress, and so kwadaso, say a queen size, and now size be our peno, yanyomani bosu da fem say ya. Shim, wobe win, ewa kimeda, ababu quantum so rice and danchen 1 year war, Frey 0244 573729 and 0241 856069. Banseti and Sons Company Limited. Yes, sumo soba.
Before a pure paymentum, I chomu down in bottom. Our time in mat and bar. I have bias from Kokra, a unit to Achomodan. None bibi, Nation so a demufua. Our time in mat and bar. I will bias from Koya to the bamboo in. None bibi, Okonoa, and South Drobia Benebia, Tenuti de Bia, Duada Cosicosiada, one more honor, Okabene Bebiat, now you don't come on. Quality wine, body splash, perfume, deodorant, liquid soap, foreign sardine, any foreign goose in now. Provision beer anso obenya biato de de ne say bia obedi dwumaso bi birthday and a program bi no pe ba biatena agudwa eno so benya baby kama na de dasronko kra e wo bamboo in ene say e bia odi hye bi e di ne birthday and ani gye bi e na aba e na person surprise obi a de nya so beba bamboo in wo mo be package kama ana hamper nice one near the surprise ni pa no mom hye no so say your dan ya dia uncha delivery fee say your dan dia ubetua bibi kakra bamboo in ehye our time mini mat and bar ase wo ma cha kwan e wa chem dan wo mo ne MTT de no ene di hwanu mu pe me che police station na e won kwantanu mesro fra no ne mu din sa wo so sisi ai ne surprise of dofoma 0244 732075 and 0244 868385 our time mini mat and bar bamboo in aji esimi you will love it.
It's hard to
Classic ointment aye bio kromu hafo pa na dodo no a ehunam atoso fefefe sei
classic ointment se de sie nam no se ka se ye ka ho asoma ka de ba chi ni nwie ye kan fa momamfo no won mo ya so mbre ko pa bie de se ekro ne na gu wo mo a ekọ de na pimples ase nanim ekọ
classic ointment
de na eyam atoto no ho ama ekọ obi na propro ha no ekọ
ointment ne powerful pa
hwe ingredients ya wode ye classic ointment no ebi ni aloe vera apaya petroleum jelly cassia alata honam na ni ba bia ekro pimples eyam ana propro aguo no eno ane se anopa ne nwumre bia wadware wie no wode classic ointment no bi ebesere mu na abehu se yes ointment papa bi o ba bi
me the classic ointment esiesie me ho ama agye me se enye nanso pharmacies chemical ne herbal shops
ane titru wohene na herbal koforidua frisia ba ko and sons kumasi adu ore pass herbal okaisia kra netufo so afre 0544 791 600 ana 0500 799
FDA agye edwede nkrato yato
Se ye kase Dominion herbal powder ema immune system and then kwabo wo nipadua mu ne yeden na de senti wotadi yare sunkunimu a ehu adanse bi ni o
adon de fine pa manum bi tina me di ho adanse no enya yese meme se
Dominion herbal powder de ninia enya amanfo adanse nti na be kanfo ne aye ewo me nipadua mu no eburo madwen ene menti ase so emma Dominion herbal powder empa wo hu da biara da
asem no anada ho no Dominion herbal powder enwanso anya wonsu ohie wo tea cup mu na de atreketo ase biagumu wa twan seti yanum wa wie Angels Dominion Herbal Center won kokko ene de aba apemfo aba ta mo manufo ene kwada woni fiedum ye ne de won ka ho dodo afre 054 315 8195
FDA agi edwadie nkratoɔ yi atum
Mido, asa na de fia ehrampa o.
Ha, eye ban 20 ena ma efia ehwehwe hwamsa no.
Eno so ye supira na.
Eye JA Binding and Co Limited. Ena wo mo de sa nyoma we nyina badwa so. Enye no nkwampo na wo ho medu so to ho no mo no. Enyoma ne se bebre.
Niema bi te se dan na wo ho.
Ban zo ne nan sen kwada nyoma ania te se wan. Eye parazo no na me de sie.
Mido, me fan fitira apoto bi de ni na afro. Na dia ba de na wo de ahohura poto bi de isi.
Eye akasha no a na me de atu apopo bibre nyina se no bia. Papa pata asusu nyina so atese wan no.
Nansen awowo ni nyina mpayila. Uhu awowo bia wo fie ha bi.
Medeta wo. Eye JA Binding Snake Reparent na me de atu o masesa no.
Enu omo wo niema papa.
Ban liquid soap na se wodidi wi amedem a wahoro won sai uhu ana. Ai eno aso na mede wohoro nchaasi mu nyina da.
Ene we die medi adanse a kira mansan. Fa no mo wo.
JA Binding wo mo nioma no. Ubenya bi ato wakuma se takra de tamale ho sunya ne nkokọ wabu ase boga odan Ghana Commercial Bank enedi enemuhye. Se wo pani do so pomu atu a ubenya bi ewo Kasua Winneba Road ho ankasa na factory no esie.
Ma me number no na mfa nkoma ko nyima no no nso from
0242 771 650 and 0247 576 643.
Medofo na nso omudin ni body say.
Eye JA Binding and Co Limited.
Ja me dru ho sesi a.
Omame Hey, Birichie Kesia Bo Ewo Ochimamu Opani Samuel Robert Benson appear Edaya one sorry. Sempen for Kaya Yamwasa Obra Echo Wo Obani appear Yamau Nanti Anunti Dasibra Dr. Nyako Asumadu appear Osia Wo Hiwa Achim Abuakwa Noya Wenchi Hine Ohima appear Krama Otosmienu Achim Wenchi Hima Oyukwabusu Penny or Achim Wenchi Nana Kwabna Pepra Waba Krafu Otia Yipasu Tiniso Eye Oba Penny Christiana Yapokua Joe Enia J appear Ewa USA Dr. Prince appear Yabua Ewon Crane Obani Kwabna appear Aduduana Fan Atomic Owa Achim Wenchi Owura Kwadwo appear Aduduana Fan Kwadwo Felicia Ewo Achim Wenchi Reverend John Darkun Director for Africa Christ for All Nations Eni abusuanka ye di yaw esi Ghana fo eye se Oduma kuma wodi ni sanyunyu abeto wonaja Opani Samuel Robert Benton appear so Onyamfinhia aduokunu na kwankwaja wodi ni beto mpam busumi ni de toso aduonu nkron Achim Wenchi de backgrounds anopa no nsia pounds meduasa na na wufu sumba koso meminda krona ewo Achim Wenchi de backgrounds anopa no nkron pounds meduasa wowi a obepa no krabe abusua ne agyanfo behia Achim Wenchi de backgrounds meminda no awiadonko pounds meduasa no di ni sikasa ahyehye so kwasiada na asia sumba koso Ebenezer Private Church Achim Wenchi anopa no nkron abusua betwa hia Achim Wenchi de backgrounds awia donko apansima aduasa da sebra Dr. Nyako Asumadu apia osia wo yin owo Achim Abuakwa no ya Achim Wenchi hi esinimpon ene dafom yo osia wo Obani apia obrapa eja owura kwan yama damri fadue nantiye due ene amanihunu
Eura, me pacho bra na me hwa de wo bag yi.
Bra, aden, enen so biem.
Hey, time heba me hwa ya me ka se yi ba kwin, ane wayi me yensen.
Bra, sanya time heba me hwa, esia chimi ni me fiefo enya de abako ebeso yen.
We de udi se ofa ni nyina.
Time heba me hwa, me ka se me di one dance ya heaven ene de me kwa akopie. Enti se malaria, we draw ne time heba mixture.
Enye enunku o, de nanum ato a wontimi anidie no. Time heba mixture duro no ene ye ma o. Oba a wafa afuro de o ma akwada anofo. Ene akwada woni mfie dumienu entimi num aduro yi bi. Se obeto aduro yi bi anoma, hwe se wakọ hospital anase lab am ye hu se wo a 3-day malaria yi bi ansa. Se o petam heba misha enuro dudu atu a, fo ani kire KNG Herbal Center ewo Emrom Abidjan House. Ana ba akoso wo atonsu Monaco Junction.
Eno echi ura pharmacy shop, chemical shop, any herbal shop dudu na mu a obenye bi ato.
Fre 0244 417669.
Kayo set time no TIME time herbal mixture afi malaria fever bi adani ziba ewo munu betu akọ.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed. Zoom zoom zoom. Zoom 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 zoom. Party T T T T T T T T T I. Zoom zoom zoom. Zoom zoom zoom. Watch it zoom. The roof is on fire. We don't need no water. Let the blood clot burn. 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 Blood clot burn. Burn. Me I got party hard. You know me I got party hard. Me want party hard. Let's see I party hard. Hard. Me I got party hard. You know me I got party hard. Me want to party hard. Let's see me now party hard. So nail.
Oh, Camila, drop the song, make we dance. Oh, DJ Camila, drop the song, make we dance. Yeah. Where the party there today? God darling. Hey mama, hey I ever say. God darling. Shake your body, man, you're gonna. God darling. Hey mama, hey I ever say. God darling. So where the party there today? God darling. Hey mama, hey I ever say. God darling. Shake your body, man, you're gonna. God darling. Hey mama, hey I ever say. God darling. You mess up for no reason. Don't you know say this be our season? Hey yo, Dr. Slim. In the brain make a flow, right? You dreaming? show these people something. Anemo, 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 anemo. Uli sekeni woye, we uli sekeni woye. Anemo, 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 anemo. Uli sekeni woye.
So the jam is on, the party is on already. It's a Friday, and I tell you what, I am chinkra, so when they make your funny, you're born now, sir. I am chinkra. My Antoine, I can crown off here, but my man, over this, as I said earlier, we see you between the studios. I mean, you're about to have fun. He's a brother, he's a big brother, he's a friend, he's a mentor, he's a coach, he's an advisor. And sometimes we don't go on the contrary though, but hey, we did. Hey, to my men for the crown of a young brand new income. Now, Bansechi and Sons says, open waterhouse, open mattress, open T&J. Upe POP, upe sink water closets. The na bra so ye me pa chop papa pound. Enya ya no de ni be nya fake ni bi. But we the papa pound eche. Mattress ni say you double one, you king size, you queen size. Upe T&J, upe normal ones ni be bra, upe POP T&J bra. Upe doors 4-in-1, single 1.5. Yes bra. Now for upe sink water closet. Ni na bra na sort out. Ne boafo esanso ye papa pa. Ya wa boabo ni odan. Ya ben rice under pap ohana be huyen for 0244 573729 and 0241850069 and 0551065928 Bansechi and Sons adia eye papa quality and affordable products in quantity tonton ya so ye ho now so pesa wunya hoden mapa o pese immune system no air stronger and no one in boost about mixture police in your drill me pacho the number one immune booster that helps your immune system to fight against and correct all manners of disease me pacho ma sanke bi o pharmacy bia obenye bia to free 0246 208496 and 0540710113 police in your drill bonus ambrane pa me pacho Ochima Development Association no o pese obeya pata Ahenkan FM here be pick forms for just 10 cedis spend. Okay, forms near free, but monthly we treat 10 cedis. Opesa we treat usi kanswa. If I wear part already, now opesa we treat monthly sikana. Me patro 05944670029 and I'll be said this kind at the SCO. Ahenkan FM how many forms ni bina wa pick answer. Me patro breast cancer awareness free screening no cost we yasia haya. a cost of breast cancer, free breast cancer screening. Ya catch us about for new phone bra. Me pacho a cost was here honoma. Me banana panel na a money. A mammy for about honanya de ketua. Dino Mombra. Madame Letitia catch the guys in some form of phone bra. Bakacha part of me pacho. Manemba. Mama can you be a fan new phone brana screening no a cost. A free and Jessica health insurance assembly him. Oba Ahenkan from here nurses for no have from Jubilee Hospital and I just a bibia koko su ye niadia. Unnatural mineral water. Unnatural mineral water. Insure papa, insure ya krojen. Insure konkonti ma bi anim. Me pa cho sha wo pensu anom. Na say wo da ye program so pensu da ye outdoor engagements, birthday parties, executive meeting bi ani ade wo pe bi gu fridge mu ofia. And one unnatural mineral water for 0249 680 and I say 0500231091. Pay a deposit this way. Watch what Ghana Commercial Bank car park in the opposite to the new story building or why now be here. Me patch up Boremu now any ending come you best sort out. Ishaka Ba Center, the Mermaid Rubber. Go no Koku Beneza money. Come for go no at Choman and say, and Kenya the new best man capsules and Caldo. And come as one Japan. Me pacho early discharge low sperm count erectile dysfunction severe waist pain burning sensation gonorrhea ni ade the bebo eh the new best man capsules be man petre yo the new best man capsules be boy ye papa the new best man capsules Mr. Oko pharmacy bia wache modan ha no chiniba drugstore or bia mo afo Kennedy drugstore ko fisco na naturally always drugstore or honyina okwa obenya the new best man capsules ni bia to me pacho 0244966043 0208288099 the new best man capsules still e be you marry my JD yan kwa ma JD say ya yan true kan yan kwa ma JD okay ntina ma JD amaje self foul problem ne bra sabi o yare na tete o ulcer, typhoid, infertility, prostate enlargement, syphilis, kidney problem, menstrual problem, gonorrhea nigina amaje tu ase tinoba na wabana for ye 2 yare na sema obi awodofo bi unue bi wankasa fa yare ne bra ye wa modern scan machine physiotherapy course for quantum detector ti yare bia ebe tu ase da ma amaje e wa chim oda Red Cross Junction opposite of a green gas filling station from 0244877840 and 0205045665 amaje ana ya bona sambrane wa yaresa efie now so to the have a brother in the house. It's one person I respect so much, and he has done this media job for over 10 years. I just say, sometimes we fight small. He's my big brother. He said, yeah, well, this culture, sometimes you see, oh no, big brother, yeah, not just say, but this is a big brother. Every time I tell him my mind. I tell him my mind like that. Eva, see it. Eva. Hello?
Yeah.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Peppa John, what is saying? Hey, are they all saying? Hey, birthday now, who said you know? Oh. What do you, we see Kabby dimming Jane on. Peppa John, would ye? The panel or the mamma. Or sister who to me bo or see me bo a dim bakubi. But I would to me a bona downful baku bidia, my first canamau. Okay. I didn't say almost that is research. Constant happy birthday, Charlie Kovna Costini, your life on radio, Ahenkan and 3.3 FM. You are live on radio. Oh, the whole year you'll be at you. Nana birthday no solve that also.
Just have me mom. And see me from one me train say me better half.
Me pacho better half no me pacho body di na me shadi. Come no for you. Okay. Kwa kumbe what to wait makasa. I don't answer what's rest.
Me wa fast ya.
Kwa kwa be za stress, o ka better have was stress.
Some me wa fast ya. Gonna happy birthday.
Oh, thank you.
Hey, better half of 4. This shaker.
So once come for me.
Onye nipa nkasa. Onye nipa.
Me offer senso na me de na ma no.
Onye nipa.
Upon that na.
But sometimes you think you want there be na fine girl say ya anti nyakopon cheche meme dey onye ni. Now there onye ni. Upon meme we are seeing over 6 million meme ni and there onye ni.
Me don't pa.
Oh. Nyame be your wife. Nyame be sound again be fie. Why? Mati. It's no your point about for you be din kon na we say am fa umpi. Why? Okay. All right. Bye. Okay, so 28 minutes after 11, 93.3 of Anwasugu. So that is coming off for you the better half. Hey, I just more better half. Kogu. Akwaba.
Yeah, yeah.
Me pesa me introduction be me can be each other when me be control.
Okay.
So when I came back to Odan, you never started with FM.
Yeah.
And later grouping doom. Ebeji Fire.
Yeah.
So when I came in this show, I was the mid-morning host. And Coco ebe take you over. And I'm a call after drive.
Yeah.
And you were time my mama drive no. You were one guy now they be over to me. Come now over to me. And I took over the drive time for I think almost a year or something.
Yeah. More than a year.
Yeah. And Sana we all left and then we find ourselves in different places now. Koku, I want to say thank you.
Oh.
Yes. Oh, like I'm being very honest. Because we are one person when I share me to pass it over to me. I mean your style fits the drive. You can do this. You can do this. Me that say.
Na say onyame ho. Enyame.
Because you've been when I came back to that you've been very instrumental in my media career and I won't lie. And I'm sitting on a large platform and I'm saying thank you like yes.
I think say meet me aka say Oba Easton ha one of the mid-morning shows out of 5 no Oba count.
Amen. That's it.
Because Odan had the okay main condemn over there but Obi me when it comes to mid-morning. Yeah, you are number 1 in Odan here. And we end up in Miabemo Ahenkan so I say because any pen nana be ma young guys and I say be a young guys opportunities. So mo nya dey almost ultimi nya baby enye moa omodachi. I think say better than I say. And come now you are doing well.
Thank you.
You are doing well. Oh yeah the pa.
Me that say pa. Biti onim obi ho no ma who say dey bia me ne wo ne come for we had issues on Facebook contact kwa say but amunim say ya yes NDC people for
na for tokwa bia ni entem.
Yes. The trouble you ho. But I say them are you aware your wife is listening to the show?
Baby.
Onyawe. Onyawe something na kaza.
Oh boy.
Maybe you secret TV.
Or Obeko afternoon. Obeko Adwuma.
So you're not aware she's listening.
No, I'm not.
Okay, and I'm canceling we.
Right. Man can my show.
Mecca. Okay. 2nd December 2019. Nothing the coso.
Oh, sir. That time no na me worry.
Saturday no.
Na day no na me here.
Okay.
Yeah me wedding.
It's 1st December 2019. Anyway 8:30 to 9.
Na oh sana me bomb a day before. What's me engage me engagement no Friday. It's a year no. Once a day before my wedding I saw bomb pie. Na me bomb pie.
Na me wine.
Wo. Oh sana oda.
O bomb pie na me wine.
Na oda room na me here there. Me me suffer bomb pie on phone. That time na me suffer any me am not see a bomb pie on phone.
Okay.
Ade. And then bibi fufuro bi say apart from pie boy.
Me gusu can be say.
She
So that na me can say something happened like
what happened? No, na mabuti.
It's a secret between many women and
Ada why?
And nipa no ni Ghana sisia.
So near me and Saban. Aban na woka.
It me connecting sisia. Ma joining no. Original so. All the way from US.
Oh, jai.
No. But you've been in this media job for over 10 years.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, experience no ho.
Yeah.
The brain coffee brain soon. People think in a Siana over near there.
Oh, yeah,
yeah. Over 10 years. And I'm sure picture be now trousers upon
CB.
Kakakebi.
And media knows my opportunity near to me. To Kwayako baby, didn't say be beko, yeah, but because of
now, Saturday was starting media, and Saturday now you had 3 cities, and that's now we did.
Oh, Debbie,
because what tries necessary.
Oh, sir. Oh, sir, yeah, will be any time or to me, I can see. At that time, no son of a chance here for front. And yes, you to America 3 cities, you to America even 50,000 krana still on a senior material.
Now try as necessary.
Now, what papa say, do get ya.
I mean, cast what free media, Jumani said, what free man answers the other. I'm saying, Indra me post you, our mistakes.
Yeah.
Minya message from Shami.
Yeah, me, I'm Shami.
Yes. Shami say, hey, then I cost you. And I said, they cost one, I cost you. And I Enoch.
Yeah.
And so, my message. Enoch, the end of the and a lot of people were asking, say, is this not Koko Ebenezer? Why has he taken this bold step for NDC near there? And I will be a media person near there. And then
yeah.
I want you to answer this.
Okay.
I mean, I know you as a big brother. And I know our picture that doesn't know. But until those watching on Facebook, this is Koko Ebenezer. But I don't know for a fatal pound.
Some me, I'm a
that's obey president. I'll obey for pound.
Check.
Obey for pound.
Me want fit. But I say, me bayana, me obey fit. Me want fit that.
But me want fit soon. I did. It's the end. Come what die media and what free moon? And I said,
Kwabna, media work in India. Me sha se kura wa menchi ampo maminchia masofo for omo ka me pai bom me sofo pani a me hye na se sofo abrada akon Perez Chapel International Chimodan branch ana ye founder Bishop Charles Agina Sari so michia no maminchia sofo of that Builders of Salvation no ye papa Sena no so michia no me do mase ene omo pai bo a omo bo na ebi so yen so kwabna media adwuma ne de Obi bega say enche bia but mean share that no enche bia bibia bebe wiye na afi you move on with another adwuma for now no there mean share
it there the can who take this bold decision to join politics
kwabna media me shall say at the age of 18 years because at the age of 18 years no you know him say before you better district assembly election be and ye limited registration. It's as at that time no na me we SHS for dance senior high school me call dance school.
Sata ma mo fro asrewa.
Na me nso na mo fro asrewa.
Oh dance school. Okay. and then history and go forward tell.
It's after school no na me coach throw me din. That time na easy be omo ye registration to me coach throw me din. So after that, no na me who say yeah district assembly election, the assembly members see, and I me call file forms. This that time no, anytime I'm fear see age nine. Now when him said that time, na me need the youngest guy I'm Gina the whole Ghana. Yes. Since that time, and I'm share see. If you know, na mo media working me na me a party ni.
Okay.
Obi a no ni me be say na me a party ni. Because that time in Nemana me be a branch secretary for 8 good years.
Okay, but that time now you when you man answer then.
Oh, na meji menim. Obi a no nim me de meji menim. But say me betena me say na me morning show. Eni medwuma no na embo ebra because me betena se na ye NDC asem na enya meka. It na ye den pass obi hu say asuma si ana so but that party for them they know.
Let's make us say tabana who host money show no.
Yeah.
Na me who say we NDC din say we MPP ni like as a utwa but obi na twema dwen say onim say Koko NDC lands no. I don't think so because many know the same office. Sometimes say na who dey action dey adwuma no.
Yeah.
Very difficult for one to tell say we NDC ni. After about saying I think we free. You free hono. And uji wonim ye and I say
you feel hono me some branch no 8 years no. And I'm a executive member, constituency executive member. last 4 years. And no, I me shall say open a bar many.
But that, okay, so that is I think 2018.
Yes. I'm a constituency executive member.
So we left 2018. It's that time no man.
Yeah,
that time na obi troll let 30 because you need to know. Yeah, you money show them through.
Aye.
Send me them in body.
Oh yeah. And then the any passes say me dey be ameka say. Oh dance somewhere how.
Yeah, troll let 30 because
the NDC need to show the fruits. You show the fruits them the farmer no.
And sa show no cry. I think say yeah 2 days in the fruits.
Aye.
No before you can't do 1 day at the my. What say now Monday to Thursday?
Yeah.
Now
I'm 1 day mama.
Am I?
So no go so what? I'm say already. And then I'm open.
And the shabo my hosting morning show now. Yeah. My hosting morning show that. Na kokuya Monday to Thursday. Now I take you over Friday. Meaning na kokko ni shab mini the whole team.
And shall say po ho. E shall say fibiak time. Time I heard more biak FM.
I know.
Those days. I want a chance. I want the same thing. I mean, a man for you. Ya bremum. Maybe I make us say, and yes, na in your opportunity. I can. But ya bre pa. The end is in the Quabana. I want me mojem. We are me there, and this is mean deny the party and this.
Because actually, than had when you say MPP near the it is we a media personnel there. I mean, affliction. I will say call for MPP. It's for NDC a better song way.
Oh, and
I will not backlash be from people.
Oh, a lot. I know they even the MMDC see crabby. I ye 5 at Mansahano. I say I got 5 at Mansa. You were a chance, Swedro, then Oda, then at Mansa, then AMA. As I'm talking to you now, Cranny being shed and me fine.
Because of your affiliation.
Yes, but me cocoa ye Juma mom so me ye Jumani genuine. So what I say?
I never come here. No.
Yes.
I didn't
A. And on Oma, Osa man yourself, your woman, I'm Tiasi ye. You a game. Ubi on Nemu keke, but on Tiasi, Ubi also on Nemu Batotiasi. This year manage you Munanka Kranga.
And this is here our take both step. You be like say, once you start what come from. SS time, and I obey a part. It will running through political CV. Now, Yanshadi.
Oh, okay. Send him the can. Kwabna me shall say our branch for 8 good years. See, me feel ona nyame ya adom na last 4 years. Almost to Abama me na me be executive member. Say I say executive member when this my na man for NTS. Na me nchirem kakra. Executive members no initially no say ye to aba ye nipa 8. Ye to aba ma nipa 8 e beka main executives no ho. Normal den omo to omo fo. Any ade. It's the last 4 years no nipa 9 a PK form. Me na na misa omo.
Okay.
Yes. Na nyame adom de bia me da ye nuanom delegates ase wo na because omo yade because nipa 9 na me na me di first and gaba me de man you di second na emutwi it me do ma se na omo to abama me nso kwabana sebe me ngu me hu fi obia o ye ndisi ni bia ni madwuma nyame adom mitimi eye boa party no a ye de call last 4 years election ankoye na yesan wo opportunity bi mc ebe ko nti me yade na miguso so yade kwabana ye de no to nchen a oba Akim State University I wa ya heye me na me 10 patron e wo ho me hwe se 10 chapter wo ho no me toto ne ma na ya hwe na bibia so etimi akonkan na beginning school ni by na ebi ni ho na test confirm kwa na e wo ho but ene ye de ne ade nti ye ma ye so ye nya opportunity ana ye di wura mu wo ho a nyame adom se ye wo 10 chapter e wo ho a ye so ye boy ho modern e de aboa ye adesuafo wo ho mo ye NDC fo na bibia so etimi akonkan nti si akwa Akim State ye wo test confirm why no ye MPP ye nuan MPP fo ana ye wo 10 I no see NDC fo a me ye omu patron me do ma no a ye toto ne ma na bibia so etimi akonkan nti ye gu so ebo ye homode wa manyosemu ye de no to nchen a ye nya akwanya asoma nya odanko ana ye party adwuma ye adwuma ewo bia bi te sa akwatia obi o akwatia bi ani adwuma so a ye mu bi ye ewo ho ye de no to nchen a ayawa so by election yeah course so some years back
I think me who picture any dumelo a trendy pan
yes your opportunity ko ho ekoye party adwuma enti ye mu bi de they be a doubt about the assay. Danya me as so my opportunity say they won't share man your same. Yasuma and this man you could
Abo.
Oh, I don't name one. Abwami. Because and this man you could make them a battle and as a be shame. Many opportunity be brave. I had the asuma man for me no come now share me always in person me some. Oh, they only my Adwuma that they be on me be himself always. The person me some me person will be best some. Aha, they be my wife, they be our can say. They be now person nya bibi at the boy. I'm yes. So I'm always in person myself. It is a okase obi a leader you be a so or serve. And ya man for me a man for me na day. I was almost 7 and that's almost some.
True.
So maybe sana me change me buy and this man my opportunity. Asum. And I de ba ko and this man any jin say. And this no omunye mu. So I'm sure now betimi ayadwuma nko more opportunity. And ya fin at time na so and you beka say usa on fin do ye. O say ni say there be. Adwuma bi o no mo hwe na o age no betimi aye. And asa wa ho de no betimi aye de aboa ye ma wa kwanya na watimi aye den aye. Be ye branch secretary kwabena unim say na mitimi ye adwuma eboa party no e national and regional level. That time na me mark on so ensikura. Enti NDC de me kanfoma youth bia. Hey, sell pa man you pa. Ya ma me boom opportunity. Oh, kwamna is true. O de share NDC. Se me see yi. Me ye MPP ni a. Ko opportunity amenya wo NDC mu kwamo ma me chance. Omega se minyi ye.
Now then nti yeni o ba kwaku your young guys are muzo.
E wo dan kromu a. Eti se me type. Check MPP executive say wo sisi a. Emu de na ye young te se me. But me see me constituency executive member. I constituency in 24 kwatana ya. You take decision be a meeting.
Odan had the MPP no omo dey in 24 ne.
Oh, omo my young guys in the chance. Omo nim. Wo dey hwe me.
Maybe not the young guys are not capable of doing a certain job.
I know some certain young guys be ya mo chance on be but e do esi usua. On fenso ye twen. Enu so.
Which who say MPP for no be show this na your father.
Oh, Debbie. Maybe obi oni mean say from SHS and I'm joining NDC.
Okay.
My papa NDC ni obi anim no. In fact.
O ma me
de onyama yosem and no dey me ma me de onyama yosem.
Now yeah me cry what di me time ni na. Yeah. You show you endo na me control me I don't understand why obi be position or say me deputy.
Okay.
Go high. They may want also put deputy.
Okay. Kwabla unim. They can say deputy na. Your position be a wunya pa wa manyosemu. Yes.
Okay.
Deputy ni you be a obwa main one no. Na ideas no ebwa main organizer na say main position no.
Na unko for me no.
Ya was ufi ya no mi fidu ho ti kwabna mi fidu ho pa na me de niam bi agu apon so ma mi ntia me boss Alhaji Nuruddin ma mi ntia no ono ko main organizer me bi obi a boss me ma good morning ene mi nua be ma poyoyo bi tie omu nyina na wonim say NDC amanyoku nu so ye ka say organizer the main or the core duty of organizer no say membership drive enwane organizer bia na adwuma no nti me boss yetena ase ana ye de niam bia gu apon so em said that about a week ago me ba ha na me ne oboba di nkomo efa me
on the morning show.
Yes, on the morning show. Na we organizer party na koma ne is e was say we obi a obetwe dom ayeden abeka mo ho enye obi abepam dom.
Okay, into now ukopɛ deputy organizer.
Yes, na me the minim de na boa me boss.
Aboa ma ya twe youth abejo na.
Enye youth nko a
atwe nkofa abejo na NDC.
Enipa yes.
Na abejo na NDC ade na ebenya hu.
Obejo na NDC ade na abenya. NDC de kwabna ye niam bebre. Obi a ward dan krom ha bia ni. Yeah, man, I na me ya amanyosema me nka enko akire o. Me ka odan ha.
But uni nature me busa question say uni I mean you fact me you know say me I'm not a political inclined person. Like me the way me the NDC MPP and family home. But you see we all know the hardship in this country. And then Yenyans when him say NDC have ruled Ghana before. I mean NDC have taken over Ghana pen. Normal was a bit like gigi. And as you see MPP is over Obiaka, I sit here on my show. I used to say every time, "Go for crack complaints me anti-MPP," which I don't care. No one my thing. Yes, Mami come say me for pa. Go for case no one thing there. Now, what's the choir organizer? No, abo my deputy organizer.
Yeah.
Abo my ama NDC enyadom.
Yeah.
NDC about power. Koku you the same obre.
Okay.
MPP about the same obre.
Okay.
What do you think obe catcher will be to send me and me join the party be as I should come and join NDC?
Come now him. They be America say Fapema your man penny John Mahama etwa to ho no. Anka nanado buy your man penny nanado danko ekufuado. E buy na oto aso a. Anka Ghana nye di brain ye stage ayedu ni. Hwe say
unim say
Kobra wo de ma me nche wa
the MPP su jato ho no. Say their professor Miss sorry they are Kufuor jato ho. Professor Miss so beto aso anka Ghana ntisi.
Obeto aso. Kobra ma me nche wa de.
Okay.
Ma me nche oni ma ba ku bi a. Professor Mills ene Mahama administration mo to aso. Kufuor time no na health insurance mutual health insurance me boa obekaya e ba foforo na ye district pe dizi o da pe na ukura card na obetimi ayusu but then isi ba ye no ye beto aso eno na ye national health insurance the whole Ghana ukura card no o na akọ asaman kese obetimi ayusu nsawo obetimi ayusu kumasi obetimi ayusu ite isi ba ye beto abibi so hwe omampani na nado e ba ye no. How many months are you implementing free SHS? And yet the same year na oba for friend the same year na no free SHS. Says can no kofa because I no aba for fro. And in that time no na your man penny dada John Mahama we Jessica be at ho. Watoto niam ye Jessica to and unti na man ye den etimi implementing free SHS wo afe na oba e man because oba ye no nya hwe. It oba da nya ska e dia ye fa de we nya fa to se kwam na wa ne. Ene ya ebia me bi adwuma bi wo ba ene ya no be 2-3 months on start enye hwe budget kura onye budget nye hwe na that time ni we implement bibi ana say we fiase AC dan ya sika enda company ni photo ma obenya sika we na dia ye it means management your man penny John Mahama de to no na bo ana na do kana otimi ye ye de not eno to kobra
me ntwa no but we me this kasa na obi kana me ho ya bibi we me pese catch your people Governor Slin Katromo. I think since you've been able to win him. I think Governor Slin was an MPP guy.
Waba. Kobra ye nyame ate adom na che. Okay. Me men ka asem we ntwa to. I say your time na so. Ye beto abakwesi ada. Na menim say nyame adom.
Kosa da be ochenechi ya.
Ochenechi ya. Nyame be kasa. Okay. Osoro be kasa. Because anya ya ho odin.
Come na for we say me can't just say Oma good luck.
Makonta. Ono mama no me wo fast nti sisi ade obu me kakra.
So Oma good luck.
Mo say mo fast so ho efe. Me de na ma no.
Uni say I think what Kufado eba o dance school no. Uni say that time na come na for everything nya again.
Eye enya afina be try.
Oh, say be try.
Enya afina be try bi ase. Akoru agi o. Eti yi Kwabra bize nyame ya do beto abama me na nya de a ye bedi omuhwamo me da number 1 on the ballot paper na ekon e be fa so a ye vote e be ko anim e wo da ha mpo se ye nwini a ye vote no be pagya na nyame nti ye be ye because amanyosem ye woni ma mienu ne ye either say opponent no obeti ni vote so na be ka ho ana say am be ka ho kura be make sure say obe dan obetene de so
mate uwini na say that be be president I am in position
my position wow
me position me pay creative arts minister
sir
nti that be aya me
Meka o anya that be Meka next baza ya to abana this week a few Monday ko no Meka o
sisi do bia no betma sama adwen say me join MPP and NDC but that be say wo dru esro ha na say uti mi be president aya na wa kai be ndemeba
mate kwabla me de bia meka say me wo niema bebre o mani so enye ne badachi bia no
o ba be president maka shopping
oh yeah
maka shopping yeah masoda
me start FPC enye sisi a badachi bi no me gina in the ticket of NDC e wo da me we are mesa pre akodi president
ubenya because me that very powerful
yeah ubenya
me that very powerful you know me can me catch how
yeah
me creative art minister
empire boni here ye kana empire boni akira de bia me de me bibia me ye empire bo
e be fa me maso ho da ye nkwan de be fa o me nyame ne me kasa straight
yeah masama me kan twa to okra ne say nyame ya aduma akwasi ada omo kai me omo na nim adwumaden a ye mu biaye na yeguso ye aboa party no deputy organizer position no eye position a wo se enye obi a o betimi atwe edoma beka ye ho ana 2 owa akukudro because 2024 okona eda ye nim no nye matrama koifu ye nya akukudro fo wo ma anytime a party be your service bia no beba
okay
because o hwe me ahomachen awia no pa anytime a party be your service bia meba no be some party manifesto ni there last week a man for agenda catch them young what be that catch them young
na there about okay
catch them young yeah
there I was surprised with me Blaslin. I was very surprised.
About NDC. Imagine the number.
I didn't because me I'm Thomas because and then was having the time yama.
Why are
they? The time yama.
Why are they?
Because what woman really paying. You gaining grounds for that hano. Okay, 18 million. Now so we near. Masaka jo kai me
Mekao do obia onimi bia nim se me de omo amene omo shase na omo ana me
I know
move
you know that should be na creative art ministry hono de wo do bi ba ho de age se me page 2 fie pa because me matosa position okay come now for you see a part or MPB and this
Kwabna de ono oni party bia
oyegum said that now am beto about last 2 years on
Kwabna
ya to about the last 2 years no they said about last 2 years
yeah last 2 years
no o catch me say gum for some then you know who is scapa into or gum oni
mamintia SK or yeah youth organizer I think say RC but me refi branch no camp or PWD camp hono or COTA the SK Michia me good morning or one of the hard working guys
okay
wo NDC amayoko Michia youth organizers ni NDC penifo ni na and I think say kwabna unim NDC ka meshe obia say enye say mesre omukura meshe obia oye youth say at this moment party a ebe boyan youth ne pa ANDC
kwaku yanko
anko bia
kwaku yanko me pa jo
kobra is
true asada udi mi show ni ebe campaign
me bia
yeah
because kobra mi nyim bia o me so ni mi age
unyi ye minimum
ANDC and no mo page me madwuma din
o do ani ANDC na talk cat and you know
why
sa
me car o car no dey say want me van to me
me car me dey say me car o dey no
me dey say efe
o car dey me reverse no
me car dey
reverse no
papa car me dey call don kokrum na akoye party adwuma no
for we catch up say car no what one with 2000
beto amarai 2000 mo
na talk 2000
1000 mo no matter 1000
car dey
1000 mo no matter
akosi say car na
me see BCC. Does that nipa